Guess what? You have been lied to. Procrastination is not laziness. It is not a personality flaw. And it is definitely not happening because you are unmotivated. Our brain is a people pleaser. When we procrastinate, it's not because we are broken. It is because our brain is trying to protect us from stress. Confused? Let me explain. Imagine this. You have to submit a huge report by tomorrow, and your amygdala, the brain's panic button, screams, "This is scary. What if we fail?" So your brain does the next best thing. It distracts you with TikTok, snacks, or you're suddenly organizing your sock drawer. Why? Temporary stress relief. Neuroscience call this habitual avoidance. But here's the good news. We can shred this procrastination down to its last atom so you and me can finally get things done. So meet the 5-second rule. It's basically a hard reset for our brain, and here is how it works. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of high dive. Your brain starts freaking out with all these what if scenarios. And this is where, instead of overthinking, you count backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and then jump immediately before your brain can talk you out of it. No debate, no I'll do it tomorrow, just act. It sounds simple, but here's the magic. When you count backwards, you interrupt brain's stress signals and stop it from inventing excuses. At the same time, you activate prefrontal cortex, the actual CEO of our brain, forcing it to make adult decisions. Like maybe I should write that report instead of watching TikTok. Think of it as switching from brain's autopilot habit mode to manual logical thinking mode. The coolest part? Research found that if we hesitate longer than 5 seconds, our brain starts building a case for why we shouldn't do the thing. 5 seconds is our tiny window between I could do this and our brain slamming the emergency brakes. So here is how to use it practically. Can't get out of bed? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, sit up. Done. Thinking of skipping gym? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, put on your shoes. Your body follows your brain's lead. If you're writing a report but stuck on where do I even start, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, write the title. Then the first bullet point. Progress equals motivation. The point is, start stupidly small. Our brain doesn't care about perfection. It just needs action. Once you move, the rest follows. I started using this technique this month when I was putting off editing these videos, and no joke, my productivity shot up like 70%. The key is pairing it with just 2 minutes of commitment. And the bottom line is, don't let procrastination win the starting battle. Our brain is not broken. It is just trying to survive. The 5-second countdown is not magic. It's neuroscience, and you're just a human with a brain that needs a little push. By the way, this therapy session cost 1 subscribe and commitment to count backwards. Now go do the thing, and hey, thank you for not adding this video in watch later playlist. Cheers.